Has the appearance of being pretty real looking. Take a little trip to pick up our saddle. Saddle. Decently packaged. Spoon charge bikes. Don't know what that is up close. That is fake leather, but honestly for fake leather that actually looks pretty decent. Has the appearance of being pretty real looking. The saddle of choice for Etsy, enduro, and road riders alike. Typified by its lightweight supported shape and pressure relief channel. Available in either lightweight chromoly or super lightweight titanium alloy rails and in a wide selection of colors. Nice and firm, way too soft. Gotta take this off now, put it onto there. So now we have it set up like this. Here are the pieces for the other side. They're identical to the pieces on this side. So you have this end piece here, kind of hugs the rail on the outside, which is that right there. And then you have the one on the inside that has the serrated edge that grips onto here. It allows you to adjust the positioning. Now to get these two pieces on, first take this one, and what you're gonna want to do is you just turn that like that. This faces down, the part that hugs the saddle there. One piece. Tighten the nut. On this side you have your max lines on each side.